Yeah, so I'm doing some crown pumpkin and making that the centre of my meals for 3 days in a row on my detox. But basically I'm going to show you what I do with it and how to get a massive amount of food out of, this is just 1/2 of a crown pumpkin. So yeah, I'll post the videos how we make the 3 meals out of this, and it's just incredible what you can do with a pumpkin. So yeah, talk to you soon.
Hi Brett, so what are we up to now?
All right, we're making a salad that's going to last 3 days so we can have it with our pumpkin, which I've got roasting. So this is a big salad, a quick salad that you can use and repeat it for 2 or 3 days. So the secret is to just have some dry salad greens. Get the biggest possible bowl that you've got, because you won't fit it in otherwise. And this one is coleslaw or ranch slaw, so it's a heavy duty coleslaw. Put that whole thing in, save that for later. And then what I've got here is I've grated up 1 large carrot. We need 2 or 3 small carrots to do that. A whole capsicum and just in little bite pieces, and about 6 pickled onions. So these are quite large pickled onions, or you could just use a red onion. So these will keep quite well for 2 or 3 days in the salad without making it go all soggy. So basically we're going to combine all these together. And anything that's really wet, like these pickled onions are a little bit, but they'll be fine, such as things that are wet or that will go off, you don't want to put into this. So this is basically a base salad, and we can use this to add other ingredients. So what I'm going to do over the next 3 or 4 days is add other things to this. So I'm going to add some avocado, I'm going to cook some mushrooms and add them into it as we serve it. So it's really just a really good base salad. So there you go, that's a good thing to start with, and that'll keep us going for a few days.
Go for it.
Alright, here we go. I've just had this pumpkin going for about half an hour.
Ooh, that smells amazing.
These are huge pieces of pumpkin, but basically what I'm going to do is...
It's not that expensive either, is it really?
Oh no, this is literally only $2 or $3 worth of pumpkin.
Wow.
When it's in season, so it's browning up a little bit, but the second half it'll brown up quite a bit more. That's pretty much it, so we'll give that another half an hour.
Did you put it in any oil or anything?
A little bit of coconut oil,
no.
And I put it on really high, so about 220 Celsius.
Okay.
It's going to go nice and soft. Alright, back in.
So it's all ready, is it?
Yeah, right. So this pumpkin's been roasting now for just about an hour. About
Nice.
30 minutes on each side.
Oh, it smells delicious.
And of course we've made enough to have for 2 or 3 nights, for 2 of us.
Yeah.
And so over here we've got some salad. This is just the green salad and a bit of avocado on it tonight. And just give us a good piece of pumpkin each, as it is.
That's
A
huge.
little bit, yeah, they're big pieces of pumpkin. So that's
Wow,
a
look
real
at that.
easy meal for your detox.
Very filling. Wow.
Yeah, it's a great way to do a nice easy way to do some pumpkin. And of course what we'll do tomorrow is we'll do a couple more pieces with the salad with something else, something different, just to change it up. And we'll do a stir fry the night after that. So good way to mix up your pumpkin.
So what have we got here, Brett? This
Well,
looks yummy.
This is the green salad we did just a minute ago with some avocado. And we could do this tomorrow with some mushrooms or something different on it, cucumber or something like that. The roast pumpkin, and I'm just going to put on a bit of homemade dressing, which is just yogurt mixed with a bit of oil, a bit of lemon juice and vinegar. So it's a really simple homemade dressing. So that's the perfect detox dinner. That's completely clean food. Alright, we're on the second night with this pumpkin, and I'm just doing it slightly differently tonight. So just show you what we're doing here. This time I'm just doing another 2 or 3 bits of the pumpkin, but I'm just having it with some sauteed mushrooms and garlic. And this is what we got left over. We're going to do this for a 3rd night. And we're going to slice up the cucumber and again use the salad which we made yesterday. So this is 2nd meal with our half a crown pumpkin reinvented. So this is just making our detox real easy. Alright, so I'll serve it up in a minute, show you what we're doing there. These mushrooms have been sauteing for just 5-10 minutes. So I'm just going to put them straight on top of the salad. Makes a really good serving. And that's the thing, when you're detoxing, you want to have really good sized servings.
It's nice to have the mushrooms when they're slightly warm. The salad's fine, isn't it?
Yeah, nice on warm salad.
Yeah.
The cucumber, so I'll just put that on top of the mushrooms there.
Is this from our garden?
Yeah, it's cucumber from the garden.
Nice.
They just keep popping up on the plant in the summer. Right, now this is the roast pumpkin. So again, really good serving sizes. Important when you're detoxing so you don't get hungry. There you go, a lovely way just to have a pumpkin again for a second night. And we'll be doing it again tomorrow. We've got a couple of bits of pumpkin left and I'll be doing slightly differently tomorrow in a stir fry, so watch out for that one.
Oh, this smells nice. What are you doing, Brett? Smells gorgeous.
I'm just stir frying some mushrooms and some yellow zucchini which has just come on in the garden. Bit of garlic and onions. And I'm just steaming a bit of broccoli here which I'm going to throw into it. And this is some pumpkin over here which I roasted a night or so back, and I'm just going to dice that into it and mix it in. And I've got some go-to cola which I just got out of the garden and chopped that up and then throw that in there.
So what does go-to cola do?
Amazing for your brain.
Brain?
Yeah.
Oh.
And a bit of homemade mayo, which is just some yogurt, olive oil and some vinegar with a bit of mustard. And that's going to go over it. And that's it.
So that's
dinner.
Detox dinner.
Detox dinner, yeah.
Nice. So we're dishing up now, hey?
Yeah, yeah.
Let's have a look.
So this is the pumpkin, broccoli, mushrooms.
Look at those bright colours.
Yellow zucchinis, garlic, onions, just stir fried up basically.
Gorgeous.
And mixed up some go-to cola. And I did put a bit of curry powder, a bit of turmeric in there as well, just to give it a bit of flavour.
Beautiful. Look at the steam coming off that. Oh, yep.
This is the homemade
mayonnaise.
Yeah. So just makes it delicious.
That looks really yum.
Awesome detox. So that's got basically no lectins, no grains, no nuts, no seeds, no legumes, no meat, and no simple carbs.
And it's
perfect for your detox.
Very, very, very filling.
Yeah.
Yum. Okay, let's enjoy. Yeah.